recently, I jumped on the succulent bandwagon and I've been liking the look of having one succulent in its own unique pot, but my collection has grown so much I've been needing to purchase a lot of pots and it was getting pretty expensive. So I had a look online in my local stores, but it was actually hard to find a large variety at affordable prices. Plus, some of them didn't have drainage holes, which meant that my succulents could potentially rot because they don't like to sit in a pool of water. Let me show you how you can easily make your own affordable outdoor pots with drainage holes. To start, you'll need some ceramic bowls or cups. Here I have some cups that I found at Daiso. They were $2.80 each and I love them because they're all different colors, shapes and sizes. At the back here I have some came-up bowls and they were $1.50 each, which is a bargain. You could use these as they are if you want to use them as indoor pots, but all of my succulents are outdoors and I wanted the drainage hole, so I got myself a ceramic drill bit. It's got a rough round tip that essentially drills a big hole into ceramics and glass, and I got this one from my local Bunnings for about $20. Also, you'll need a drill, some water, and some old towels or rags. This is the motion that you'll be making with the drill. Lay the drill bit at a 45-degree angle at the location of where you want to drill the hole and start drilling slowly. As you drill, you'll start to make a groove. So once you make a groove that's about 2 to 3 millimeters deep, slowly bring the drill to an upright position so that the tip of the drill bit is pointing straight down into your pot. Just be patient because if you apply too much pressure or push down too hard, the pot can break. I've just laid down some old pieces of wood because I don't want to drill into my table by accident. Lay down the old towels or rags and place your pot on top facing upside down. Then pour some water onto the area that you're going to drill. When you drill, it creates friction, which creates heat, which can cause your pot to break. So pouring water on the area stops it from getting too hot, and it also lubricates the area for smoother drilling. I like to change the water out every so often to see how far I've drilled down, and also to swap out the warm water for cold water. Once you're done, all you need to do is fill up your new pots with soil and plant your succulents. Spring is definitely here. It's getting so warm now, so it's a perfect time to get your hands dirty and do some gardening. Not only are these pots super affordable, but they make really cute gifts. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and be sure to give this video a like. Thank you for watching and see you next time.